right, here I am in my most common place in the middle of some cornfields in Mahomet, Illinois with Troy from BBT. We just drove this 67, right?
67, yep.
67 project truck that one of his customers having built. This thing's going to be pretty awesome when it's done. Probably doesn't want me showing the interior not being done yet. But the reason we're here is for the 71 Duster. And we're out here, just did rolling shots of it. And we're running out of places in Mahomet to take photos, so we're out in this cornfield. But check this thing out, pretty awesome. We shot it in bare metal, so I'll throw some bare metal photos in here. And Troy, what all is done to this 1971 Duster? Because I know you like me putting you on the spot like that.
Oh yeah, it's
where do you start? Because it was completely done in bare metal at one time.
Yeah. Full chassis underneath it. It's got a Hellcat engine, 6-speed transmission. It's got a bunch of parts from Intekotto, some one-off machine stuff on the interior. Really trying to just make a timeless, classic build that stands the test of time. So hopefully that's what we did.
Did you read that off of a play sheet from like some pro builder somewhere?
That's my script.
You get that for like some TV script? But I'll throw some pictures of our rollers and the fun we had here. Hopefully some of that turned out, because we were up against this amazing sunset you probably can't see, but we got our rollers done and decided to just shoot it out here because it was so nice. And we've basically shot everywhere in Mahomet. So hope you guys enjoy this video. This car is awesome, and it's not every day you see a really cool Duster. Actually taking this truck project, I'm doing my rollers out of it, so this should be fun. I'll get the door. Got the same flooring I have in the Corvair van. It's got boom mat. Look at that vet. That's nice.
So dirty today.
Yeah, it's so beautiful today. When I got here last night, not so much. There goes my bag. The seat belt does work. I mean, the tailgate does work.
That's good.
It's all right. My camera's right here.
Yeah, what do you do to that? So it was running good earlier, and then you drove it.
That's because I'm riding in it. Does it got gas in it?
Yeah. It ain't got no gas in it. But you put like 4 gallons in it earlier.
Oh. I should have went out on the test drive. I saw there was a test drive. I was like, I'm always down for a test drive. Pull in front of him. There's my bag again. I gotta get out this way, don't I? There's no bumper to stand on this one. this 71 Duster, right? 71, huh?
Yeah.
71 Duster. All right, ready when you are. Woo. Now there's a car coming. And we got corn. What side now? Yeah, we'll do the back side going back.
Back or
Huh?
go back down again?
Well, we'll go down back that way and shoot. You know how we do the rear shots, and I'll shoot over the top like that.
So you want to do going that way though?
Yeah, we'll do a few that way, and then, but I still got to do a few of you. Let me just double check my images here. I just want to make sure we're 100% already. Oh yeah, we're golden.
The road, I think they do the park on the side of the roads up there.
That's fine.
A couple miles up that way.
All right, you want to go ahead and do the
Yeah, we might as well
rollers? Do the rollers from the back.
So,
So-
around, go back the other way.
Yeah. Don't forget you got a bunch of rocks on your tires when you leave. Remember, you picked this road, it wasn't me.
Worked out well.
Well, he probably just chip sealed it like last week. Yeah, this thing was great, dude. The wheel change made a huge difference. Don't forget my bags in the back this time. No shitty. Oh, I mean.